Hey YouTube, thanks for joining me to begin on this build there. Hey, we got that engine put on there. Got that little engine put on there. And last episode we did all the wiring. Got the key in it. I got to get some fuel. So, and I still haven't got a rope starter on. I'm going to try the electric one out. But eventually we'll get a rope starter on it. And so let's see if that motor will start up again. It started after I rebuilt it, so hang on and let me get some fuel in there. Alright folks, I got the fuel can. Fill the old tank up. Same gas tank what was on it. Should work. Alright, here we go guys. The only thing I haven't hooked up is the kill switch, which I guess we won't need that if it runs, right? Prime it up. See if our key switch here works. Got it! Got it. We got one more bracket to weld right here to here. It's a little different than the old way it was put on there. But other than that, that should do it. All right. Sweet. Fire's right up. Alright, let me bring you in for a little closer look, guys. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright folks, there it is. She looks pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit of a reinforcement on this pipe too. I got an idea for that. It'll be pretty easy. Go from here down to the axle, because the motor and the A-arm or the swing arm all go together, so anything from on the back of this is all dependent on each other. It's not going to bust it off. It's just going to support it. So that should do it. Pretty good. I think I'm going to get a zip tie and pull that hose up here to the cable there, like such. And we'll hook up the rest of our wiring in there. But other than that, man, it's nice. Fire's right up. Fire's right up. Alright. So there it be, guys. Got a little bit of cleanup on the engine. I want to do some painting, and I got another top for this without the broken fin, so I might get that put on there. But that looks pretty good. It works good. Alright. And I'll see if I can tidy up my wiring box here, my electrical box. But that ought to do it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this thing. And I got to get a pull starter put on it. That's just 4 bolts. Slides right on. It's already got the starter cog thing on it, so about done. I'm going to call this final. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Take care.